there. Yes, hello?
Hi. What's the problem?
Some of the people from over there are out here talking.
They're here talking?
And out here talking and right there talking. Very loud and we can't get peace. They're too loud.
You see, even in that building, you have the same issue, right?
It's not our fault.
Listen. Last time I even talked to the guy, first nobody was there.
Yes.
When I was going, I saw one gentleman, I told him, he said okay. He just said okay from there.
I have it on
No.
tape. They stand
know.
out there and talk loud and carry on.
I will talk to them,
Yes.
right? And I will write incident with you. But if it escalates, first you talk to the management, next you call the police guy.
Well, we talked to management, we even sent them tapes, videos of it.
What happened?
Nothing.
Then?
And that's not right, because I spoke to healthcare workers and the police, and they said to report it to you.
Report it to me.
Yes.
I am above the management.
Yeah. And you're both, you're security, you're supposed to do
Yes.
something about it, not
What
let them
will I do?
stand out here.
Can I fight with them?
No, I don't know what you're gonna do.
Same like you. Even police cannot fight with them. I can tell them now. I will write my incident.
I don't know
listen.
you can listen. I don't know that they don't have a weapon, that they don't have a knife.
What do they want to do with you? They
How
don't
should
know
I
you.
know? Internet.
How should I know?
Internet.
What?
Internet.
What is internet?
Cyber. I'm on YouTube and they won't.
Okay, you are on YouTube, but people have nothing to do with you.
How do I know they're not on my YouTube channel?
Did they knock at your door and call you?
Not recently, but they've done it at the walls. I know you don't believe, but it's real, okay? And we have witnesses. Holy shit! The concierge security is trying to deny that it happened. He's like, you have the same problems across the road. I'm like, that's got nothing to do with this. And I said, internet. Now you heard, right? And he was like, as if that wasn't real. Remember that happened before? As if it wasn't real. And that we should come to management. We're not supposed to speak to him. And I'm like, I told him, who told us? And he's like, we don't do it. I said, your security report, the police, you're supposed to do something about it all. And I shut the door in his face. Him telling us that we have nothing to worry about. It's allowed. I shut the door. What a liar. What kind of company have I hired? It's the same company, same man. He won't do anything because they're black and they're or East Indian and we're Caucasian. You look white. How ridiculous. He can speak Hebrew, Punjabi, or whatever with them. I said, we have witnesses. We have evidence. The upstairs probation has evidence. What did they do? I said, nothing that I know. He was like, well, there. I'm like, no, not well, there.
Thank you. Have a good day.
thing, much more. Maybe that is the thing. And then she needs to get in the child as much as possible. Okay. It's really, really amazing. And every time you see her standing here, I know it is good. I understand. It is something, you know, if I come from you, I have to stand here. I know, even if I think this is good, if I stand here, it looks good, it looks good, then everything has to be good. But just people, they're neighbors. Neighbors always help each other. I know. Thank you. And because we used to say sometimes they were knocking on the wall. Yes, yes. Have a good day.
Hope those other people, 1909, get evicted as soon as possible as tenants. Rent. And stops lying, slander, and defamation, all about Altu and all about Altu and all about us. Bellis. Guilty instead of them. So